Ever struggled with outdoor cooking gear that just can't keep up? Imagine a portable propane stove that lets you cook a full meal with two 12-inch pans or three 8-inch pans at once. Whether you're boiling water for your morning French press or flipping pancakes for the whole crew, this stove delivers the space and heat you need to make it happen smoothly. What sets this stove apart are its 3 adjustable burners, designed to radiate heat evenly across the surface. No more hot spots or uneven cooking. Plus, the adjustable wind block panels shield the flame from gusts, folding down to double as handy side tables. This thoughtful design means you get consistent performance outdoors, no matter the weather. Fuel efficiency is another big win here. Thanks to advanced pressure control technology, this stove maintains steady heat while stretching the life of your propane cylinder. With a single 16.4 ounces propane tank, sold separately, you can run all burners on high for up to 45 minutes. And lighting it is effortless. Just push the matchless instastart ignition button, no matches or lighters needed. I've seen firsthand how this stove holds up on camping trips. Our family's old Coleman stove moved to college with our daughter, so we picked up this new model. The classic green color is a nice touch, but it's the reliable wind blockers that really make a difference compared to other brands. It's perfect for car camping where you want dependable, easy-to-use gear without hauling heavy packs around. If you're considering upgrading your outdoor cooking setup, this portable propane stove is worth a look. It combines versatility, consistent heat, and thoughtful features that make cooking outside less of a hassle. If that's you, someone who enjoys outdoor meals without the fuss, try it when you're ready. Just remember, propane tanks are sold separately, so plan ahead for your next adventure.